School district cases in general are, they can be difficult because what happens is that usually there's a perpetrator, a person who does the molestations, and then, but we always want to look and find out what's the history here. How was this allowed to happen, you know, in a school? Because when we all, as parents, we send our kids off to school, we have to trust that the school district has done its job in vetting the teachers and is doing its job in supervising the teachers and making sure that the kids are safe. And a lot of times we find that the school district's not doing its job in keeping our kids safe. You know, they're ignoring red flags, which would, if they're followed up on, you can discover what's going on and prevent the kids from being abused. And that's one of the things that came up in our last case that was really kind of heart-wrenching, is that the little boy who had been molested by his 5th grade teacher at some point is going to grow up and be an adult and hopefully get married and hopefully have children. And I can only imagine how hard that is going to be for him, that first day of school, which should be a kind of a joyful occasion, when he has to drop his kids off at school, knowing what happened to him. Obviously the perpetrator bears the majority of the blame, but in our cases we've been able to convince juries that the school district also needs to be held accountable for what it did in allowing this to happen on its campus.